Today I'll teach you how you guys can customize your Facebook shortcut bar setting. So you guys can see at the bottom where it says home video page, you can choose what you want to be displayed over here, or you can even remove every single thing from over here. Alright, so let me show you how you guys can customize it by adding your favorite options over here. Click on menu at the bottom right. Once you're inside menu, at the top you can see the little setting icon. Click on it. And from inside settings over here on search, you want to click on search and search for shortcut. Once you search for shortcuts, the first option where it says customize, click on it. This is the place from which we can customize it. So what you need to do is do this. Let's say I want to remove video. I can click on auto and click on hide. And my video option is going to be removed just like this. And if I want to remove my page option, I can click on page, click on hide, and my page will be hidden as well. Now from over here, I can choose what other things I want to add. Okay, let's say I want to add page again. I can click on hidden and click on auto, and it's going to be shown over here again. And if I click on hidden for video and click on auto, it's going to be shown. I hope you understand on how you guys can customize your Facebook shortcut bar. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.